Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagercoil. News for the month of June 2025. The 9th to 10th of June 2025. Catalyzing quality and excellence in higher education. On the first day of the two-day orientation program organized for the new academic year by the Crossian Center for Faculty Development on the theme of catalyzing quality and excellence in higher education, the resource person, Reverend Dr. A. Michael John, Director of Ziba Palayam Kotte, conducted an insightful session on productive teaching in higher education, focusing on innovative pedagogical approaches and student engagement strategies. On the second day, Dr. Sister Francie, the Vice Principal of the college, decoded the attributes of NAC by outlining key criteria for accreditation. Close on heels, Dr. Vency Candida, the IQAC Director of the college, oriented the participants on translating insight into action, highlighting outcome-based education and effective documentation practices. The orientation program concluded with department meetings and a joint discussion to consolidate ideas and action plans. The 10th to 19th of June 2025 Annual Training Camp. A total of 17 cadets of the 3rd TN Naval Unit of NCC from our college, under the guidance of the caretaker officer Dr. Sunitha, participated in the annual training camp at Vivekananda College, Agasthiswaram, Kanyakumari district. Our cadets underwent training in drill, sports, exercises, firing and boat pulling and won laurels to the institution by winning the Best College Award in the drill competition and also secured first prize in the group dance event. The 18th of June 2025, Passing the Baton Ceremony. In the Passing the Baton Ceremony, organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of our college in the presence of Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the college, and Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the Principal of the college, the existing coordinators of various administrative roles formally handed over their administrative responsibilities to the newly appointed coordinators. During the occasion, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the Principal of the college, appreciated the Vice Principal, Dean of Academic Affairs, Research, Student Affairs, Extension, External Affairs, coordinators of CCFD, PTA, Alumni, Run, Placement Officer, and Controller of Examination for the service rendered to the institution and conveyed her best wishes to the new coordinators. On the same day, the Deanery of Entrepreneurial Development conducted Vision 2025, an orientation on goal setting for the second and third year undergraduates and final year postgraduates of the college. Speaking during the occasion, Dr. Jenny Padwa, the Dean of Entrepreneurial Development, introduced 5 key pathways for the students in the areas of placement, higher studies, competitive exams, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Emphasizing the value of financial independence, the Dean also shared real-life success stories of former students who had become government officers, business owners, and professionals in diverse fields. The segment of the event featuring alumni testimonials, in which the alumni recalled the role played by the institution in providing placement opportunities, filing of patents, and higher education guidance, motivated and encouraged the participants in becoming torchbearers of Vision 2025. The 20th of June 2025, Commemoration of International Yoga Day. The Health and Hygiene Committee of our college, in collaboration with the college administration, organized a mass demonstration of yoga postures at the Golden Jubilee Hall of the college. The demonstration, led by Sister A. Shanti and Miss S. Josephine Panmaya Rushia, not only commemorated International Yoga Day, but also highlighted the benefits of yoga for overall health, well-being, and spirituality. The 23rd of June 2025, Freshers' Day. In a Freshers' Day celebration for the academic year 25-26, jointly organized by the Student Council and the Parents Teachers Association of the college, the new batch of undergraduate and postgraduate students, accompanied by their parents, were welcomed by Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the college. In her address, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the Principal of the college, felicitated and familiarized the freshers with the uniqueness, ethos, and culture of the institution. An informative PowerPoint presentation outlining the various student support services, discipline policies, and opportunities for holistic development by the Dean of Students was followed by a detailed presentation on the upcoming student induction program by Dr. Vency Candida, the Director of the Internal Quality Assurance Cell. Sister Rosary Sahai Rani, the newly appointed counselor, added spark to the Freshers' Day by highlighting the importance of mental well-being, the value of self-awareness in academic and personal growth, and the need for open communication to build a positive campus environment. Scholarship details and transport regulations were explained to the stakeholders. An interaction session was held to ensure clarity for the students and their guardians. Later in the day, the freshers were welcomed separately, each in their respective departments. The 25th of June 2025, International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. The Anti-Drug Committee of our college, in association with the Department of Zoology, organized an awareness program for all the members of the clubs and committees of the college. The chief guest, Ms. D. Shantakumari, an inspector of police from the Anti-Child Trafficking Unit of Nagercoil, sensitized the students on the multifaceted consequences of drug abuse and the role of youth in prevention of abuse. Addressing the gathering on women and child safety, Ms. Thomas Lissa, the Sub-Inspector of Police, introduced the Tamil Nadu Police Kaval Udavi app and spelled out the use of the helpline numbers 181, 1098 and 1091. A pledge against drug abuse was also taken during the event. On the 27th of June 2025, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, in the presence of Dr. Sister Francie, the vice principal of the college, waved start a torch run rally of the NSS volunteers from the college premises to Anna Stadium, stressing the need to prevent drug abuse. The 26th of June 2025, MOU with KSS. Our college and the Kotar Service Society, KSS, signed in a memorandum of understanding and agreed to collaborate on extension services under the RUN program. The partnership will enable students to participate in community outreach programs and promote community development through experiential learning. In the recently released India Today All India Rankings for colleges, our college is ranked 88th in arts, 84th in science and 189th in commerce and an impressive 44th in MSW in the Hansa Research Survey conducted by the Week magazine for the year 2025. Our college secured the 82nd position in arts, 89th position in science and the 106th position in commerce. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.